Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can change the name of your iPhone. Now first, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, go down and tap on General. In here, tap on About, then tap on Name. Now in here, tap on the text box and tap on the delete button. This will allow you to delete the current name, and in here you can give it a new name. Next, tap on the done button to save the changes. After that, you can tap on the back key to go back to settings, or swipe up to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.